And this will be my view. Yeah, I gotta clean that up, but yeah, I got still more work to do. All right, so move my water tank, which, I gotta clean that space out, but I have created me a new closet area. So that in turn opens this area up, which, I still gotta work on it. But yeah, there's my bed. So gotta get the sheets on it, and I'm ready to go. You'll be proud of me, Alex. More hardwood, Alex. Got me a little. You see that? Wow. Also got me a. I turned up the water tank. Went ahead and extended the hardwood all the way out. Took up those little boards. Now I'm gonna throw little boards to the back. So I'm pulling everything up. I'm putting the hardwood down to the back and rearranging. So tearing up shit to fit shit. Yes. Yeah, now it's time for another trip to the hardware store. Okay, so I'm putting together a manufactured closet. There you go. Put it in a spot. As you can see, it's together. Now I gotta put the